What's good, Crack Canvas Nation? KP here. Hey, I just watched a truly legendary video and I just posted it on my community tab if you want to go read it. But here we go. Hey, Gen Z millennials, stop messing around. Here's 8 rules to make work optional before you hit 40. So if you're 40 or under, my script says this is the only way. Of course, it's not the only way, but it's just a highly suggested and proven way that you can make work optional in 10 years or less. I just watched a couple of real estate legends drop absolutely nuclear truth bombs about what it actually takes to escape the 9-to-5 grind and make work optional. You see, they said if I understood what they were about to share, or what they shared with me when they were only 20, that they could have built everything twice as fast and with half the stress. Let that sink in a little. You're being given the cheat code, and that's true if we really think about it. With YouTube University and AI and our technology advancements, we really truly can just copy what other human beings with the same amount of arms, with the same amount of hands, with the same amount of brains, with the same amount of everything. We are the same. Nobody's better than anybody else. Yes, somebody might be smarter. Somebody might have inherited some money. Somebody might have, you might be starting from the worst position than somebody else, but it doesn't matter. We have the cheat code to financial freedom if we just listen, copy, and paste, and apply that to our life. It's hard for me to read. I've got my contacts in, and my Meta AI glasses are prescription, and I don't have my contact case, and everything's actually pretty clear except for letters. So I'm attempting to read the script while driving, so just bear with me. So let that sink in. If they knew what they knew now then they would have done it twice as fast. They said it's simple. The only way to win the game before 40. Not the only way, obviously, but a good way. Stop speculating. Start owning. You only have 2 paths to retiring in 10 years or less. Grow and scale a business, or own assets that run like a business. We call that real estate. If your current investing, that's in quotation marks, doesn't fit one of these categories, you're just gambling. Your cash is trash if you don't own. We live in an inflationary world, and you need to pay attention. Inflation is either making you poor or it's making you richer. It all depends on where your money is at. Own assets that rise with inflation. If you don't, you are losing money every single day. Time is your only real currency. The whole point of life is not to endlessly trade your time for a fucking paycheck. You need to put your money into assets that are designed to buy your time back. Stop working for money. Make your money work for you. Ditch the ego. Find the guru. You don't have to figure this out alone. Get around mentors who have already done it and proven it, and then do exactly what they've done. Build a massive portfolio or a small and mighty one, and retire early, or work part-time, whatever you want to do. Wealthy people are surprisingly generous with their time, so use it to our advantage. Your parents and school failed you. Slightly rude truth. No one taught you